Hello friends, today I will be showing you how you can solve this issue. This issue has been detected and is occurred due to the water going inside to the lightning connector. So I will be showing you how to solve this issue. Basically there are two methods to solve this issue. The first method is you have to go to the Safari and type water eject. Click on the first link, press open, accept all, get shortcut, and as I have already added it, so I will open it directly. Go to the water eject, click start, select the intensity level to level 3 and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will run and it will help you solve your issue and the error will successfully finish. So now as you can see, it has successfully finished. Press don't allow. Second method is to use the hair dryer. So use it gently and maintain the temperature of the hair dryer and move it from left to right from some distance for 1 to 2 minutes and it will help you to solve the below error. Thank you for watching, and if I have solved your issue, please like, share and subscribe my channel.